Hi students, in this video we are going to learn an important question from Circle chapter CBSE class 10. Look at the diagram. Common tangents AB and CD to two circles with center O1 and O2 intersect at E. Then prove that and AB and CD are equal. So this is a question they asked in the final exam paper also. We'll see how to do this. It's an important 2-mark question. So by looking into the diagram, E is the exterior point for both the circles. So we can say that tangents from the exterior point are always equal. So that is a property, we are going to use it here. Tangents from an exterior point are equal. So according to this rule, I can say that E is the exterior point. So from E, so we have drawn two tangent to this circle and two tangent to this circle. So EA is the first tangent, and from E, C is also the tangent to the same circle. EA and EC are tangent to this circle, and this side ED and EB are tangents, or EB and ED are tangents we can say. So EB is equal to ED we can write. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. You just add them, we will get the proof. 1 and 2, add 1 and 2. So we are adding the two equation, left hand side should be added together, right hand side should be added together. So EA plus EB will be equal to EC plus ED we can write. So EA plus EB. EA plus EB, if we add the total length AB, we will get AB is equal to EC plus ED. So EC plus ED, if we add together, we will be getting CD. So AB is equal to CD is a proof. They ask us to prove that. So hence proved. So this is our final value. We'll move on to the next question. Next question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn, circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So the quadrilateral is drawn to circumscribe a circle. They can ask the question in this way, or else the same question can be asked like this also. A circle touches all the four sides of the quadrilateral, both are same. Prove that the same proof. The sum of the opposite sides are equal. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC we need to prove. Again by the same property, tangents from the exterior points are equal, we are going to write it. So here in this diagram, A is the exterior point to the circle. So AP and AS will be equal. So according to the rule, since the length of the two tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are always equal, this is a rule we are using here. Now A is the exterior point, so I can write it. AP will be equal to AS. This is our first equation. And from the B, again from the B we have two tangents. PB and PQ are equal. You just write it. PB and BQ is equal. Take it as a second equation. And for the third equation, so we can write CQ is equal to CR or CR is equal to CQ. While you are writing, be careful because we are writing BQ, that you just write where you have completed with the Q. So BQ and CQ only added very easily. So you can write the CQ wherever you have written the BQ already. Now the CQ I am going to write it this side and CR I am going to take it this side. Then it will be easy for us to add it. Now for D, dr and ds also will be equal according to the same rule. So dr is equal to ds we have taken. So this is a third equation, this is a fourth equation. Now we are going to add all the four equations. So add 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now adding the equation means all the left hand sides together and right hand sides together we should add. So AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is the left hand side of my equations, and AS plus BQ plus CQ and plus DS will be the right hand side of my equation. If you add AP plus BP, look at the diagram, AP plus BP if you add, I will be getting AB length, so AB, and plus CR plus DR. By looking into the diagram, CR and DR, look at the figure, CR plus DR if you add, you will be getting the total length of CD. So I can write it CD here, which is equal to AS and BQ cannot be added, but BQ and CQ can be added. BQ and ZQ will be give us BC. The common alphabet will get cancelled anyway. So BC plus AS and DS we can add it. AS and DS if we add, you will be getting AD. So AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. That's what they ask us to prove. So we have came to the final proof. So you can write it hence proved. That is the final value of your question. Very important question. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to our subscriber channel for more videos.